Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to fit one of these 22 watt LED oyster lights to your home. And this is the DIY install version of this light. Keep in mind, if you want your product featured on my channel, you can contact me on my email address listed below. Now there's your starting point, just your standard light fitting that's fitted to most houses these days. And this is how we'll end up. Now this light is an LED light, as you can see here. And here's the switch where you can adjust the temperature of the light of your LEDs. And you just simply change the switch there. And you can alternate between 3000, 4000 and 5000 K of light temperature. Now make sure the power's turned off to your light fitting, and there's no tools at all required for this job. So you take out your light bulb, just like that. You take that off there. You get the base of your light. And you tighten that up. And then you get this little fitting right here, and you put it in where your light bulb normally fits. And that's it. Now you just put your cover on. If you like, you can test the light out. Let's just go and do that. There we go. And you can now change the temperature of your light. There's 5000. There's 4000 and there's 3000. Now in this house here we like the 5000, so we're leaving it on this setting there. Now you get your cover and just give it a quarter or 1/3 of a twist, and that's it. Okay, that's the job done. Now if you've got any questions about this light, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I'll try and answer all comments. In the meantime, don't forget, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the brand new light. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Here we go, here's the nighttime comparison. That's the new light. And that's the old light. I know it's a bit hard because the camera adjusts for the lighting, so it doesn't really give you a proper idea of what it looks like, but there's just the standard light bulb, how we started off. And that's our brand new LED one that we've just fitted. There you go, you can even see the camera adjusting now. Makes a big difference.